न चौर्यहार्यं न च राजहार्यं न च भातृभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धत एव nityam vidyadanam sarvadhanam pradhanam. This shloka says, education can neither be plundered by a thief nor can be squeezed by the king, can be divided by brothers or not, and does not fall on consumption. The more the education is spent, the more it grows. Hello learners, this is Assistant Professor Komal Shivaji Ambure, the Education Faculty of Institute of Distance and Open Learning under the umbrella of University of Mumbai. I welcome you in the first session of Teacher Education subject of MA Education Semester 2. We know that education is the process of facilitating learning, knowledge, skills, values, beliefs and habits through various teaching methods. It is fundamental human right that enables individuals to acquire knowledge and skills needed to lead a productive life and contribute to their society. Education can take place in various settings, including formal institutions such as schools, universities and vocational training centers, as well as non-formal and informal settings such as community centers, libraries and online platforms. The goals of education are diverse and may vary depending on context and the needs of the learners. However, some of the common objectives of education includes acquiring knowledge and skills in various subject areas, developing critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, enhancing creativity and innovations, and fostering social and emotional development. Education is essential for personal and societal development. It has the power to transform individuals and communities by providing opportunities for social mobility, economic growth, and political participation. Education also plays a vital role in promoting gender equality, reducing poverty, and promoting sustainable development. Overall, education is a dynamic and evolving field that is continuously adapting to meet the changing needs of learners and society. It is a powerful tool that can help individuals and communities to achieve their full potentials and contribute to a better world. In this video, we are going to understand the three most important aspects of education, as the first one is teacher, the second one is learner, and third one is teaching learning process. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. This shloka says, salute the Guru who is Brahma, the creator, the Vishnu, the nurturer, and the Shiva, the destroyer. I bow before the Guru who is the personification of the Trinity. If I ask to whom you call a teacher, then I will get answers like books, gurus, mother, etc. But when we have to describe it, then need to frame it in sentences. Here we will see few definitions on the concept teacher. The first one is, a teacher is a person who instructs and educates students, typically in classroom settings, in various subjects or field of study. The second one is, a teacher is someone who facilitates learning and helps students acquire knowledge, skills and understanding through various teaching methods. The third definition is, a teacher is a mentor who provides guidance, support and encouragement to students, helping them to reach their full potential. The fourth one is, a teacher is a role model who embodies values such as dedication, patience and compensation and inspires students to emulate these qualities. The fifth one is, a teacher is a lifelong learner who continuously seeks to enhance their own knowledge and skills and who instills a love of learning in their students. In the sum up of all these definitions, we can say a teacher is a person who is responsible for facilitating the learning of students by providing instruction, guidance and support. The role of a teacher is to help students to acquire knowledge, skills and values that will help them succeed academically, professionally and personally. In addition to providing academic instruction, teachers also play a critical role in shaping the social and emotional development of their students. They create a safe and inclusive learning environment where students feel valued and respected, and they help students to develop social skills such as teamwork and communication that are important for success in all areas of life. Teachers can work in variety of settings, including primary and secondary schools, colleges and universities, vocational schools, and adult education programs. They can specialize in various subjects areas like science, maths, English, or social studies, and may also have specialized training in working with students with disabilities or English language learners. In overall, teachers are an essential part of the education system, helping to shape the minds and futures of their students. Now moving to the next concept, who is a learner? In this picture, you can see a child is engaged in multiple tasks of being learner. On the basis of this, we will see definitions of learner. A learner is a person who actively seeks knowledge and understanding in various areas of study or interest. The next definition is a learner is someone who engages in the process of acquiring new skills, abilities, and knowledge through various means such as reading, listening, observing, or experimenting. The third definition is a learner is a student who participates in a formal education program such as schools, college, or universities in order to acquire knowledge and skills necessary for a particular profession or a career. The fourth definition is a learner is someone who is curious and open-minded, who is willing to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. The fifth definition is a learner is a lifelong student who is committed to continuous learning and personal growth, and who is always seeking new opportunities to acquire knowledge and skills. In sum up of all definitions which we've seen, we can say or state that a learner is a person who is actively engaged in the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, and abilities. Learners can be of any age and can be engaged in formal or informal learning environments. Learners seek opportunities to learn through a variety of channels, including formal education programs, on-the-job training, self-directed study, and experiential learning. They may be motivated by personal interest, career aspirations, or a desire to improve their skills and abilities. Effective learners are curious, self-motivated, and engaged in the learning process. They are willing to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from feedback in order to improve their performance. They also understand that learning is a lifelong process, and they continue to seek out new opportunities for growth and development throughout their lives. In overall, learners are at the heart of the education system, driving the acquisition of knowledge, skills, and abilities that are essential for personal and professional success. Both teacher and learner together involve in a continuous process of knowledge. The teaching-learning process is a process of transmitting knowledge, skills, and attitudes from a teacher to a learner. It involves a series of planned and structured activities designed to facilitate learning and promote understanding. Next, we will see the teaching-learning process typically involves the following steps. The first one is planning. The teacher plans the learning activities including objectives, content, and methods of instruction based on needs and abilities of the learners. The second step is presentation. The teacher presents the information and concept to the learners in the clear and engaging manner using various methods such as lectures, discussions, demonstrations, and hand-on activities. The third step is practice. The learner engage in practice activities to reinforce their understanding and develop their skills, which may include individual or a group assignments, projects, or simulations. The fourth step is feedback. The teacher provides feedback to the learners on their performance, highlighting areas of the strength and areas of improvement, and providing guidance on how to improve. The fifth step is evaluation. The teacher evaluates the learner's understanding and mastery of the content and skills using a variety of assessment methods like tests, quizzes, essays, and projects. The next step is reflection. The learners reflect on their learning experience and how it can be applied in real life situations. The teaching learning process is a cyclic process, with each step building on the previous one. Effective teaching learning processes require active engagement from the teacher and the learner, as well as a positive and supportive learning environment. So in this part of video, we have learned three important concepts as aspects of education: the teacher, the learner, and the teaching learning process, and the steps involved in it. Thank you so much.